wanted to get a little bit further in-depth coverage of the Challenger TA, and I will start off by saying that I am looking to sell this car. I'm not going to say prices on video, but in addition to that, I will put a email that I created for the YouTube page, so if anybody is interested in contacting me about this car or about anything else, you can send me an email there. And I do apologize for the wind if there's any wind noise. But anyways, I guess let's just get right into it. This is the 1970 Challenger TA, and you can go back on my channel. I do have another video doing kind of a walk around and telling the story of the car. I've got the original fender, the original steering column, a rear valence that'll fit it, the original trunk lid, both of the original doors, the other one's over there, and you know, all this stuff is salvageable. Most people will just replace it with new metal, but if anybody ends up with this car that wants to use all original parts, it's here. There is a little bit of rust in the floor pan, but not bad. There's the TA leaf springs, not leaf springs, hood springs with the special springs for the fiberglass hood. There's the original dash frame. I do have the VIN, title, fender tags, and all of that. There's the original TA torsion bars. There's the bumper brackets. Here's the column shift steering column. This was a bench seat column shift car in F8 green. I've been told that it is one of 8 bench seat column shift cars. I cannot 100% confirm that, but that is what I was told. I have pretty much all the parts to complete this car, and like I said, I did do a walk around video showing kind of some details, but right now I will throw a couple of pictures of some other parts I have up on the video here. I've got the bench seat frame, I've got the back seat, I've got the original door panels, I've got pretty much everything. I've got so many parts for the car, as well as other things that can be bought with the car. There is, as shown in the last video, you can take a look at that, there is a yellow parts car that has a really nice all original cowl section, as well as the roof, because most people will replace the roof on a car like this since it has been rolled over. And like I say, in a minute I'll throw some extra pictures of stuff I have, and I do have a 1970 date coded 340, and that is complete from top to bottom with the transmission front to back. That is got the HP manifolds on it and everything, so that could be bought with the car. And I'm open to selling this car in any shape, any form. You could buy it just as the shell, you could buy it with all the interior, you could buy it with all the original panels and stuff. I do actually have the TA leaf springs. I have the front K-member with the special little TA tag on the front, and all that stuff, all that specific disc brake stuff, as well as TA quick ratio steering box and everything. So like I say, I'm going to throw a bunch of pictures up on the screen now, and that's pretty much it. Just want to throw it out there, and I'm also going to throw that email up here one more time if anybody wants to contact me on the car. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys later.